Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro Series steering wheel single push to talk plate. This plate fits the 2020 Plus Polaris RZR Pro Series, all models. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Here is a look at the push-to-talk plate, and the rough location of where, and how it will mount behind the factory wheel cap. Let's start by grabbing a body clip tool, and slide it between the wheel base and the cap at the top, pop it outward, then lift up and out, as the bottom of the cap has a tab slot that holds it in place. Next, grab the plate, and set it in place, as you see here, with the bottom of the plate wrapping around this peg, shown here. Then, align the holes, and thread in the 2.5mm Allen bolt, and tighten down. As you see here, the plate wraps onto the peg to the left, which holds it in place, and makes for a solid mount. Now that we have mounted the plate, the cap will no longer snap in place, and sit flush to the base as it did. We have to notch out the top of the cap, so the cap wraps around the plate, restoring its proper fitting. To do so, set the cap in place by inserting the tabbed bottom of the cap into the slotted base. Then, holding the cap with one hand, use a marking pen to mark where the plate is against the cap and what needs to be removed so the cap fits around the plate. As you can see here, this is how the marked area should look for cutting. Next, holding the cap firmly, use your preferred cutting tool, and begin to cut out a notch. Take your time and remove only a little at a time, as to not cut out too much. Now, take a file, and clean up the edges to straighten and smooth out the notch. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, set the cap back into the base, and snap it in place. The cap now sits flush and secure around the plate, as you see here. You just have to wire up your button, and you are good to go. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series push-to-talk plate install. The Pro Series steering wheel single push-to-talk plate gives you a convenient way to put a momentary button/switch at the tip of your finger. It's perfect for push-to-talk radio applications, horns, or any other item that you can think of to power on. This plate is designed to be used with Polaris form-fitted steering wheels that use the steering wheel cover. This plate is designed for this steering wheel, and operation by the right hand for ease of use. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.